Hey, have you ever stopped to think how much money has actually passed through your hands in your lifetime? Let's break it down. Every time you get a paycheck, spend money, or receive any kind of payment, money flows through you. Over the years, that adds up to a huge amount, but here's the real question. How much of it do you still have? Let's put this into perspective. Imagine you made $32,000 last year and you're 30 years old. If your first paycheck was $80 at 17, all the money you've earned up until now might add up to $300,000, $500,000, maybe even more. So, where is it? If you check your wallet or bank account right now, would you be happy with what's left? If not, you're not alone. The truth is, most people spend tens of thousands of dollars every year on necessities: housing, food, transportation. And that's before counting luxuries like shopping, entertainment, and vacations. But if your savings don't reflect your lifetime earnings, something's wrong. The harsh reality? You don't know the rules of money. And if you don't master them, you'll never be rich. But don't worry, that's why you're here. In this video, I'll share 10 powerful money rules that can change your financial future. If you learn these, you can go from just making money to keeping and growing it. So let's dive in. Rule number 1. Keep your wealth a secret. In today's world, money describes your status. And while it's tempting to show off, here's why you shouldn't. If people know you have money, they'll come asking for favors. Friends, family, co-workers, suddenly you're the go-to ATM. And guess what? Once it's gone, they're gone forever. The best strategy? Stay humble. Build wealth quietly. Let your success speak for itself. Rule number 2. Invest time before you invest money. Many people think they need money to make more money, but the truth? Time is your most valuable asset. Learn about finance, investments, and wealth-building strategies before jumping in. The more knowledge you have, the fewer costly mistakes you'll make. And if you're short on time, use your money wisely. Hire experts, but always understand what you're investing in. Rule number 3. Money is a game. Learn the rules. Think of money like chess. If you don't know the rules, you're destined to lose. One of the simplest yet most powerful rules: save before you spend. Too many people do the opposite, spending first and hoping to save what's left. But that's a losing strategy. Want to win at the money game? Master the fundamentals, then create your own strategy to grow your wealth. Rule number 4. Money won't solve your insecurities. Let's be real. Buying luxury items might make you feel good temporarily, but it won't fix your self-esteem. If you constantly compare yourself to others, no amount of money will be enough. Work on yourself first, because true wealth isn't just about money, it's about mindset. Agree? Drop a comment below. Let's start a conversation. Rule number 5. Wealth is created in times of crisis. History shows us that economic downturns create more millionaires than any other time. Why? Because while most people panic, the smart ones seize opportunities. Take 2008. While many lost everything, those who invested in stocks and real estate during the crash became wealthy when the market rebounded. So next time there's a financial crisis, don't panic, prepare. Rule number 6. The more you learn, the more you earn. Jobs are competitive, the economy changes, and the key to financial success? Constant learning. The good news? You don't need a fortune to educate yourself. There are tons of free resources, courses, books, YouTube videos like this one. Rule number 7. Surround yourself with people who make money. You've heard it before. Your network is your net worth. If you spend time with broke, negative people, guess what? That mindset rubs off. But if you surround yourself with successful, financially savvy individuals, you'll learn from them. And more importantly, you'll start thinking differently about money. Rule number 8. Stop wasting money on first-class flights. Yes, luxury is nice, but is it really worth spending $2,000 plus on a first-class ticket when an economy seat costs $300? Instead of splurging, invest that money into yourself, your business, or your future. Remember, wealthy people don't waste money, they make it work for them. Rule number 9. Wealth takes time. Be patient. Warren Buffett started investing at 11 years old. Today, he's worth over $100 billion. His secret? consistency, and patience. The sooner you start investing, even small amounts, the more your wealth will grow over time. That's the power of compounding. Final rule: money flows to those who know how to handle it. Want more money? Create something valuable. Think about it. Every successful person or company exists because they solved a problem people were willing to pay for. Instead of chasing money, chase value, solve problems, help people, and money will naturally flow your way. Mastering these money rules can change your life, but knowledge alone isn't enough. You have to take action. Which rule hit home for you? Drop a comment below. Like and subscribe for more money tips. Check the links in the description for resources to help you grow your wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.